Six line. Hey Jake, we can't have the ball on the ground now. Okay, you got to secure that ball. You're not securing the ball well enough. If there's a one-back set and there's a flanker tight end, slot split, the call for you always goes to the flanker tight end. Always.
For sure.
Okay. Let's play some ball, make some play. Okay, get behind each other. Here we go. Let's get a warrior break, hustle to the sideline.
Warriors on three, 1, 2, 3. Warriors. Let's go hustle, hustle. Hustle up. Good kick.
See, if you go man turn and then go like this, goes right there. Don't do that. Trips!
Let go. Bad 57. Bad 57. Hunt.
A2!
Walk away.
Dude, how much time we got? Come on, Luke! Luke! You gotta crank it up better than that, babe! Twice through, and then the subs, and we'll be about how good we are. If you run up the field, that's gonna happen to you right there. You're gonna run and put, just close down. Power!
Here we go.
Big scoop it! Okay, now it's that first guy off the corner you want to block, Jacob. Don't run by anybody. Don't go outside. Yeah, while he was riding tighter. Come on, that's your play. That's wide open. Come on, that's your play. Let's go R split. Okay, let's go R split, and we'll go scat again. We'll go curls, Y spot on 2.
Not on the line of scrimmage, he's off the ball, but he's in a eligible receiver spot. It'd be double, yeah.
Daniel, get your head up! I thought we got better today, and it looked like what we practiced on. We stayed together pretty well as a football team. We just want to get better from there. Okay? Everybody contributes. Warriors on 3, 1, 2, 3. Warriors!